Sa tanan mga kauban, my fellow public servant, maayong buntag kaninyong tanan. I would like to commend our Cooperative Development and Livelihood Office for a job well done. Makita nato, we just heard Ma'am Alice sa accomplishment report of the office. And we are so proud na in fact, na-mention ni Ma'am Alice that Iligan City were awarded in the Gawad Parangal Cooperative Development Authority in Manila. Awarded ang Iligan City that is very active and very supportive to our cooperatives organizations in Iligan City. Thank you so much, Mayor Frederick Shaw, for your support, and of course to the SP 18th Council. And also, grabe din sila, no, from the seminars, from the trainings, from adto sa barangay. Thank you so much for your dedication, your hard work, your sacrifices. Always know that you have touched every family, every cooperative na atuang na natagaan na serbisyuhan. Padayon ang atuang paghatag sa maayong serbisyo, no, ever since mo gid na ato na gusto nato, no, ang mga community, ang family matagaan og panginabuhian. Maybe later na atay i-turn over na mga livelihood program sa mga organizations. Padayon ta sa atong maayong serbisyo. And of course to all the cooperatives, salamat kayo for being our partners. Sometimes na ay mga pamilya, mga igsuon nga mga nagkinahanlan kasagara sa atong cooperatives, na ay mga financial, no, loan kasagara, kamo isa gyud ang nakatabang, no, sa mga pangkinahanon. But not only that, you are also a partner of the local government unit when it comes to job generation. Kaya ga-expand ang business sa cooperative, syempre mo hire man na og mga staff. So isa pod nakatabang og dugang panagbaho ang ato ang mga kooperatiba. So atong palakpakan ang tanan mga cooperatives of Iligan City for being so active. Rest assured that the local government unit from the Sangguniang Panglungsod and Honorable Mayor Shaw will be here for its full support, no. Karon, in line with our National Cooperative Month, nindot kayo ang atong tema, Stronger Together Today for a Brighter Tomorrow. Ever since ginaingon na nato that alone we are weak, together we are strong. So, and lastly, no, ang atuang mga activities, we just launched the whole month celebration last Saturday. Daghan pa kay mga activities na atay mga community service ug uban pa until the October 31. No, ang atuang mga activities nga gipahigayon. And with regards to livelihood also, padayon ta sa atong mga panganabuhian when it comes to the women's sector, the youth sector, even the PWD, no, natay mga programa, the urban poor, no, kay especially katong gusto magnegosyo nga magsugod sa ginagmay. We also encourage our organization to become a cooperative kay kabalo pud ta unsay mga benepisyo sa usa ka kooperatiba. So katulang siguro, no, dili na nako tason because daghan kaayo, dili lang cooperative month karon, it is also a business month, statistics month, no, triple celebration. And I would like to announce na lang po na karon is a mental health, no, month, at the same time cancer awareness, breast cancer awareness month. So daghang salamat once again, congratulations CDLO sa makausap pa, maayong Iligan, Asenso Iliganon.